Hey there! Welcome to English Grammar Series. Today, we learn future tense, will, and going to. Let's go! Meet Mia. It is Saturday morning. She just woke up and her whole day is wide open and full of plans. Mia already has a plan for today. She wrote it last night. Study, buy cake, and play football. Mia tells her mom her plans for today. I am going to study for my test. I am going to buy your birthday cake. Mom is so surprised and happy. You remembered my birthday. That is so sweet, Mia. Suddenly, Mia's phone rings. Her friend Sam is calling. Mia picks it up. What does Sam want? Sam says, Mia, my cycle broke down. I can't come to play football. Mia thinks for 1 second and decides.
I will help you fix it.
I will help you fix it. She did not plan this before. She decided just now, at this moment. Did you notice something interesting? Mia used going to for her plans and will for her sudden decision. Why? Here is the big difference. Going to for things you planned before, will for things you decide at that moment. Going to is used for plans made before, when you already decided something earlier, or when evidence shows something will happen. The formula for going to is subject, then is, am, or are, then going to, then the verb. Is for she and he, are for we and they. Will is used for 4 situations: sudden decisions, promises, predictions, and when you offer to help someone. The formula for will is even simpler. Subject, then will, then the base verb. Will is the same for every single subject. Later, Mia goes to the bakery. She looks at all the beautiful cakes and her eyes go wide with excitement. Mia points at the cake and says, I am going to buy that cake for my mom. This was her plan from this morning, already decided. Suddenly, Mia sees an old lady struggling to reach a box on the top shelf. Mia did not plan this, but she acts fast. Mia says, don't worry, I will get that for you. She did not plan to help before entering the bakery. She decided to help right now. That is will. See the difference in the same story? Going to, she planned the cake before. Will, she decided to help right at that moment. She is going to visit her grandmother next Sunday. Is going to, this was already planned. She decided to visit before, not just now. Look at those clouds. It is going to rain. The dark clouds are evidence, proof something will happen. We use going to when we can see it coming. The phone is ringing. I will answer it. She did not plan to answer before it rang. She decided right now. That is will. I will always keep my promises, Mom. Will is perfect for making promises. A promise is a decision made at this very moment. I think our team will win the match. Dad is making a prediction about the future. Will is used when we think something will happen. For going to negative, add not after is, am, or are. I am not going to eat junk food today. Simple, just put not in the middle. For will negative, use will not or won't. I will not forget. I won't forget. Won't is the short and common form. For questions, put is, am, or are first for going to. Put will first for will questions. Are you going to? Will you? Both ask about the future. Here is your complete comparison table. Going to, planned, will, decided now. Take a photo. This is your cheat sheet. Quiz time. Question 1. Mia planned this last week. Will, am going to, or won't? Think. The answer is B, am going to. She planned this last week, decided before. Planned before always uses going to. Well done. Question 2. Mia sees this happen right now. She decides to help at this very moment. Am going to, won't, or will? The answer is C, will. She decided to help right at that moment. Sudden decision. Always use will. Excellent. Question 3. Look at those dark clouds. We can see the evidence. Rain is coming. Will, is going to, or is going? The answer is B, is going to. We can see the dark clouds, visible evidence. When evidence is visible, always use going to. Question 4, fill in the blank. Dash you going to attend the school trip. Will, are, or is? Be careful. The answer is B, are. For going to questions, put are, is, or am first. You equals are. Are you going to? Perfect. Watch out for these common mistakes. Never say will to, just will plus the verb. And never forget the to and going to. Let's recap everything. Going to, plans and evidence. Will, sudden decisions, promises, and predictions. That is it for today. Amazing work. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell me, do you prefer will or going to?